Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on June 21st, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or option. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Let me start off by saying Happy Father's Day to all the fathers that are out there. Happy Father's Day. I'm going to review over June 19, 2015. We're going to start off with the OTC. Starting off with ticker symbol ARYC. Okay, that's ticker symbol ARYC. Aryc Corp. This was a stock that was at a rinse and repeat level. If you guys don't remember, we actually added this back when the stock was at here at that 0.002 to 0.0025 range. We traded this as high as 0.0169. Since then, we were talking about that bullish inside flag pattern. Actually, kind of broke on us. We were doing a rinse and repeat from 20 to 25 buy zones, which I gave here, 19 to 25. The stock kind of breached it, hit a low of 15. Never confirmed close below that on two consecutive closes, so we never stopped out, and the stock surged and hit a high of 0.0031. Then we had a continuation. We had a high of 0.0095. Now what we're seeing is a retrace. Now, if you want to see this stock, it is posting potential bullish inside flag pattern. So what you want to see is watch that 0.0035 to 0.0045 for re-entry level here. I would keep my stop close below that 0.0035 level. Okay, look for an entry, maybe a bullish inside flag pattern here on the ARYC. Just a great trade. Nonetheless, the stock gave us an opportunity to enter from 19 to 25, which was our buy zone. Never closed confirmed below it. Kissed that 15 level and then just saw a nice bounce. So just a good trade for the traders that kind of kept up with the trade. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol SLNN, Slnn Automotive. Okay, we talked about the 000811 buy zones. Okay, that stock held. Okay, it actually pulled back and saw a low of 0008, and then we saw a nice rally up to that 0.0023 level. Okay, basically close to a 200% move there. Just a nice move off that bottom. Okay, it actually gave us an opportunity to pull back as low as that 0007, hitting a high of 23. Now what you want to see is some continuation here. If you want to check from that bottom level, that support there is going to be that 0.001213 level. So if you want to make sure you keep an eye on that support level at that 0.0012, keep your stop close below that level as well. Next stock is ticker symbol SUGO, American Mineral Group. We were talking about buying this stock here when nobody was buying it. Okay, that was at 10.15, then at 15.25 level. We said about the accumulation. Now the stock is trading quite well. The stock is breaking levels here and pushed as high as 0.009995, then pulled back, gave a re-entry here at 0.003. I told traders to watch that 0.0026 to a 0.0035 level, and it actually pulled back. Now saw a high of 0.008, closing at that 0.007 level. It continues to put out news, so the stock does have the potential to hit that 0.01 to 0.025 that we were talking about. So just a great looking chart. The stock is in a nice uptrend. A little bit of low volume, but at the same time, it's trading a lot better. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol UAMM. Okay, this was a buy zone here at 10.13, the scene of the crime. Okay, we talked about this trade. The stock now is trading hit a high of 0.0029 level. Okay, and since then it's pulled back. But if you notice, you're seeing a little bit of a flag pattern here. So flag pattern consolidation here. Watch that 0.0015 level for support. That 0.0015 to 17 level could be a good opportunity for re-entry. Does have a little bit of low volume, but at the same time, keep an eye on that level too in case the stock pulls back. Next stock symbol is Nrti. This is a stock that we actually stopped out. Okay, the stock did close below 10 on two consecutive closes, which ensued a stop out. On our chat room, then we had Penny Goldmine, a great trader of ours on the team. Just noticed that 0007 level for a buy zone. Then the stock rallied, hitting a high of 14. Just a beautiful move off the bottom. If the stock was accumulated here at 0008 0.0079 levels. Stock ended up hitting a high of 16 for a nice 100% move. So just a great move here on the NRTI. Next ticker symbol is the SNXG. Okay, the SNXG pulling back here to that 11, kissed it. We talked about that support there at 11. Traders that placed their bids at 11, then closed higher at 17. What we're looking here is for the continued consolidation here. This is oversold. There is some shares being sold, but at the same time, you got great support here at 10, 11 level. Level 2 is thin. The share structure is pretty light, so I do think that the stock has that potential to kind of break out, hit that 0.004 and path to least resistance up to 0.0156. So you got a lot of room there for a nice move. Now we're going to move on to the options. Just a great trade on the AAL, American Airlines. We talked about these airline stocks being bottomed, and you just needed some patience. You needed a nice entry. Gave us a low at as low as here. It gave us a low here at as low as to enter this stock. Gave us a pretty good low here, low of 38.91. Then the stock ended up rallying high, and then it hit a high of 41.89, almost touching that target one of 42. But just a great trade from that 38.91. I do expect, with a nice gap up here, this mini bull flag, I do expect this thing to kind of test this 44 level, even potentially 45. Like I was telling a lot of people, a lot of people start traveling during the summertime. Oil pulls back, a lot more profit margins for these airlines. We talked about the Delta Airlines, ticker symbol DAL. Okay, this one pulled back quite significantly, gave us a low at 38.97. So 38.90 gave us an entry. Then this stock was consolidating here, and then finally broke out. We saw a high of 42.81. Just a great move from that 38.90. Again, some traders kind of got in a little too quickly, but as I mentioned, we gotta wait for those kiss of those levels, especially during the summertime. Sometimes these stocks kiss those levels, then it gives us opportunity. Another one that kissed the levels was Deutsche Bank. We talked about that fake out breakout here on Deutsche Bank. We talked about that 32 level. This one hit a high of 32.60, then pulled back down close to $3. Now I do feel that this stock is about to break down. Okay, next move, potential target down to 29.50, down to 27.50. So just keep an eye on the DB, the Deutsche Bank. Okay, next ticker symbol, we talked about that fake out breakout. Another one that just hit a high of that 35 level. This one is Best Buy. Okay, hit a high of 35.31. Gave us an opportunity to actually enter in that range, 35 level. It is in a downward trend. If you notice here, okay, I'm going to connect the pivot highs. Okay, we're still hitting that that resistance level here. Okay, so we're at resistance. It's trying to break out, and we're moving into significant resistance here. So I feel that this stock does have the potential to kind of come down. Keep an eye on it. I do feel that this stock will test these levels and then kind of break down, come and test this $33.60 range. So that's your setups here. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol MU. Okay, it hit that level, kissed it. Now it's kind of bouncing up. We're looking at that 24 support for a re-entry here on the calls. It did have significant call volume, so you want to keep an eye on the MU. Now moving on to the small caps. Small caps, just a beautiful move here on the NEON. Gave us an opportunity to enter here at the lows of $3.34. Then we hit that high of $3.73, pulled back. Now we hit a low of $3.20. Now the stock wants to kind of bounce up. So keep an eye on the NEON into next week. Okay, just a beautiful move here on the entry at $3.34 up to $3.71. Now what you want to see this thing do is hold that $3.40 range. So your $3.40 range is your stop close if you're still in that stock. Okay, so that's pretty much it for all the setups. Just a great move. Another one I want you guys to kind of keep an eye on is the HGG. Okay, the HGG is kind of posting a bottom here. It did break, so if you guys are still in that level, okay, you guys want to keep an eye on this because you did have that stop close here below that $3.60 range. So I want you traders to kind of watch this. If you're still in it, keep an eye on this because this may test that $3 level. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I will be back. We're gonna have a webinar today, Sunday night, at 10:15. So I will be there a little earlier. If you have any questions, just email us at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. If you have you want to join for a free trial, just visit www.radiosilentplay.com. Take care, everyone.